very challenging to find someone that's going to come testify that this use of force, which I've described as an execution, was reasonable. And I think Broad really stuck his neck out and lost a lot of credibility. George Floyd clearly was not a threat. There was no reason to exercise the force at the outset, much less when he's no longer responsive. And that's really one of the strongest arguments the state had. Those last several minutes where Floyd was no longer breathing and Chauvin continued to apply force to him. I don't think any reasonable person, much less an expert, could say use of force at the end of that 9-minute and 29-second period was reasonable.
So one of the things that's happening, obviously, as you know, Keith Ellison, the Attorney General, said he's on a commission, and we need to reform police, he said, so that this doesn't happen on their use of force. But we also have politicians get involved, including the person I voted for, President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris, who have apparently maybe asked for police reform and want to know if we can help. Do you think that Eric Nelson's going to incorporate the, I won't say interjection, but the commentary that's going on outside of politicians into his appeal? And could it help? Could it be a winner or what?
No question he's going to incorporate the $27 million civil settlement. It's rare and uncommon for that to happen before a criminal case that happened here, and it happened in the middle of jury selection. So that's an issue he's going to raise. He's going to raise the Maxine Waters commentary, the Dante Wright shooting that happened about 10 miles away from the courthouse where Chauvin was being tried. So he's going to raise all these issues in appeal. I don't think it will be successful, but he just has to succeed on one. So just like he did with closing arguments, he's going to throw all those issues out there and hope that the Minnesota appellate court will just latch on to one of those appellate issues and send this back for a retrial.